Hi guys, so welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set screensaver start on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to display. And display, tap the advance. In advance, okay, you can see the screensaver. Okay, tap this. In screensaver, you can see the when to start. Okay, you can set this by tap the when to start. And the when to start is set into while dock. Okay, you can set into while charging, or you can set into while charging or dock, or you can set into never. So okay guys, I decide to change into never. And that's it. We have successfully set the screensaver start on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.